Welcome to the Nordic News Report. We're breaking down the key stories shaping the North Atlantic. We're covering Arctic security, Greenland, Iceland, the Faroes, and then we'll hit the opinion desk. All right, let's get into the news. First up, a big move in Arctic security.
NATO is stepping up its Arctic presence with a new permanent watch post in Greenland called Arctic Sentry.
This means more UK troops and joint exercises to protect key infrastructure from potential sabotage.
All this is happening as top officials meet with the US and Germany to talk Arctic security.
Now over to Greenland's economy. The polar seafood factory in Aasiaat says it might have to close. Why? A severe shortage of shrimp quotas is putting up to 115 jobs on the line. Also in Greenland, a big debate over education. Should Danish be dropped from the early school years? Okay, let's head to Iceland. The government there has a new 5-year plan to tackle obesity. The plan really focuses on prevention for kids and better access to professional treatment. And some other news from Iceland, its famous black sand beach, Reynisfjörður, is unfortunately disappearing. Turning to the Faroes, a former bank CEO is now facing some serious tax fraud charges. On the business front, Smirl Line has just launched the Akranes. It's the first of 2 new ships. And in sports, the Faroes now know who they're up against in the next Nations League. All right, now let's check out what people are talking about. Here are some recent opinion pieces. First up, a piece is sounding the alarm on the safety of a proposed megatunnel. The argument? That the current plan cuts corners, putting costs way ahead of safety standards. What about sovereignty? Well, a new poll shows most people want more autonomy, not full independence. And picking up on that, the Union Party is proposing what it's calling a new union. Another piece connects rising immigration to what it calls a huge mismatch in the job market. The idea is that industry isn't creating the kinds of jobs the local workforce actually wants. And finally, a pretty significant public apology from writer Mark Jimenez to a local politician. He admitted making claims about nefarious foreign powers that had, well, no basis in fact. Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources are linked below.